Today I will show you how to fork a repository on GitHub, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fork a repository on GitHub simply means to create a copy of a repo that belongs to somebody under your repo. So what that means is, as you can see, we have a feed section here and we have trending repositories. You see this repository that's in, I think it's in Japanese. This repository here, if you are able to successfully fork that repository and we come to our repositories, we should find a copy of the repositories here in our repositories. And to do that, what you can do is you can find, so let's say this repository, for example, you find the repository that you want to fork. Once you get that repository, you're going to come to the top part here. It says fork your own copy of, and it states the repository name. And once you click on it, it's going to ask you to create a new fork, and you're going to go ahead and give it the same name, but this is going to be unique to your profile. You leave the description as the same, and you copy the master branch only if you want to copy just the master branch. But if you want to copy other branches on the repo, you're going to untick this and you're going to copy. But let's copy just the master branch and let's create fork. Now it says it's forking the repo, and this should only take a few seconds. And just like that, we have a copy of the repo on our own account. And you can see it from here. It says Kraus Tutorials 2 spec, and then we have the repo here. But to fully confirm it, you can go to your to the far right, to the icon that displays your display image. From there, it opens the dialog box and you can click on repositories, and you can see the repo is here under your own personal account. Now that's how to fork a repository on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.